we want to add this image over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the image widget. They are the same settings as I've shown you over here. But as you can see, this image moves. If we are going to advance to motion effects, we can see that it has some scrolling effects set to vertical scroll. That's why the image moves. We can also see this yellow color over here. That's from over here, from style, from box shadow, the color to yellow, and the horizontal and vertical distance set like so. That's why we can see that color like so. The rest of the settings are exactly the same as I shown you to the image widget over here. So I'm going to leave the same tutorial moving on. Then we are in the image widget. We have the image settings over here. We can click over here in order to change the image, like so. We can also add it with AI by clicking over here. We can use those settings to edit the image that we already have, or click over here to generate a new image with a prompt. Then we have image resolution from over here, if we want the caption and if we want a link, like a custom URL. We can paste the link over here. By clicking on this link, we can have the link to open in a new window. We can also use dynamic tags if we want to. By going to style, we have the alignment options over here, the width, maximum width, and the height. Then we have object fit, like so, and the object position. So, we also have option for opacity, CSS filters if we want to, options for border if we want to, like the border type from over here, the border width from over here if we want to, the color from over here, and the border radius if you want to from over here. And we also have options for box shadow, the color from over here, with the opacity from over here, the horizontal distance, the vertical distance, the blur, and the spread. We can always click on this icon over here to go back to default. And by going to advanced, we have margins and paddings.